everyone. My class 10 la subject lo ase science subject. Science TV mohan tinda portion thake na chemistry, physics aro biology ko ina to moi chemistry portion lo ase. Aro moi last video wai shuru kurise mula biology ni kan hikole. To moi ajibi same chapter shuru kule ase, that is chemical reaction and equation ase du chapter la naam do. Aro moi ekta wala last video de we have discussed what was chemical reaction and characteristic of chemical reaction na ajibi same chapter ho nili bi alag topic, that is chemical equation and balancing of chemical equation. Itu topic to element ase man khin laga do kile gole tade shi formula and follow go lage man balancing of chemical equations man shi laws ka ya thaki lage na aram han tala formula ya thaki lage tahala jo key number kundu ki thalile ti ko na kundu ga multiply goile ti ko it one phalwa jani lage na to aram han like bhabe ki man ta na sina nuli ko na practice ko shele do ya thyo aro to bhabe do it so banda ko practice ko ya thage na nuli movie to han la stage parish na to movie do ina some she slow learners na muina like fast learners de muita pare de like 5-10 minutes de pare jaina nuli pare jaina to idon aro practice koi thabo lage na pahole gane na ina jile na pare nile ita puro moi phap to pare de nuli bi like slow learner ko kile bole pare jai na arbi practice koi na wale ya thage na then practice koi ya thage jo aro ajila topic to chemical equations and balancing the chemical equation as na to ajila topic ke na jage chocolate topic te quick revision ek par jawo na chocolate topic to ki mohan kushile do what is chemical reaction kishilo na udu do je when substance undergo chemical change to produce new chemical substance with new chemical identity and property thegishna mui kwadana to khande to aro tade ki hoi kushile do the old substance the old bonds are broken and the new bonds are formed na tade do je purna saman do bangi na nutun saman punai dishna inai ko example na ina hoi dige koi chemical reaction aro tade characteristic of chemical reaction thage na pasta characteristic he kaiste jogale na ekta do state change in color, change in state, change in temperature aro sorry characteristic of chemical reaction na moi pasta topic kushila na pasta points kushila na utu very easy na man ekta example de ko lage ini bhabi na sorry change in state ko matlab to solid ba liquid ti hoina liquid ba solid na example itu pa se like ice pa melt hoina fridge te rakhile na example na inia se aro temperature do thanda wa gorom hoa na pani boil bra na thanda pani gorom thanda da isna ne boil gushule gorom hoina itu inia ne it's very easy and then in every no it's very easy as we no go practice free na practice kole easy o puri lazy o aro ajila topic to ke asigule do chemical equation and balancing of chemical equation ase aro it's very hard na easy as no ko ta na sna nuli practice kole so easy as na tan go do ku nai dunia de to ajila topic start. Okay, let's get started. Chemical equations and balancing of chemical equations, today's topic. Chemical equations, it is the representation of a chemical reaction. Example, imagine, all of example, we have observed a chemical reaction and we have to write what we have observed in that reaction. Example, na muhan itu reaction dos tikishe gushite ina reaction wa je carbon monoxide plus hydrogen container de rakhi na alcohol form hodo observe kushna muhan tikishe kushe to muhan de likhibi kushe itu kina observe itu kiniga form hushe na ki muhan ki observe kushe ina likhibi kushe. So this is known as chemical equations. We have to write what we have seen in the reaction. Alright, example do ye dikhe mo kushna carbon monoxide plus hydrogen container thagishe enega hoina it formed alcohol na so mohan itu tikishe do inia reaction likishna utuna itu inia dikhina itu likishe ushna. So this is known as chemical equations. Aro nilibi na sorry mohan bhabibo carbon monoxide plus hydrogen do container de rakhishe and then after some time mohan aina saise gole alcohol pawo kuina bhabibo de mohan na nilibi we are absolutely wrong because mohan do inya ekla nhoi reaction do na chemical reaction kare do we have to follow some conditions na conditions follow kro lage mohan na, that is temperature, pressure and catalyst check kro lage mohan na. itu do thick temperature ne thick pressure catalyst present huina mohan nia rakhise bolibi alcohol na pawo na itu tida present asna mohan carbon monoxide plus hydrogen paishide noliyo mohan pressure mohan temperature catalyst ki present hole thikse present hua na ikushi gole do alcohol na pawo mohan. All right na so itu ge koe that's why like there are some conditions for chemical reactions to like pressure, temperature and catalyst na. And then like mohan we should always remember mohan udu left side to reactant aste aro right side to product ase reaction holibi na right side to reactant thage left side to product thage de product to meaning do jani na udu duita react koina ki by it is known as product na. And then aro mohan na moi jani to khambi jani thagyo na like mohan bishop chemical equations kande before the compound we see that S, L, G and AQ, right? Itu chart at bishop dikhe na mohan do itu do ki ase gole solid liquid gas or aqua state as na itu do kunai ba but this represents the state of compound of reaction itu wa koina itu do ki solid na liquid na gas as na itu garne mohan dikhe bishop na kunbala equations kande dikhe na mohan na itu G, L kan dikhe na itu do it's nothing but it's like solid liquid gas or aqua solution as there aro muiwa koinishna like mohan udu thick reaction do alawale karne we have to follow these conditions. All right, we have to check the temperature, pressure, catalyst. Yede alcohol pawale we need 340 atm pressure. And then always remember these conditions for chemical reactions, whether it may be temperature, pressure, catalyst, we have to always write above or below the arrow. Iduna reactant arrow product la reactant kuisheguna mohan arrow reactant bishide mohan arrow di dona product paule ase goina itula opor de nole niche de arrow la opor de nole niche de likhole ge temperature kiman temperature thagishna nole ki pressure ki catalyst present asna itu opor nole niche de likhibina itula opor nole niche de na hote arrow la opor nole niche de likhibide. So ijada main topic e jawo balancing of chemical equations. Balancing of chemical equation ki ase na to mohan itu do bishi important ase ki mohan tui pages class 11 12 de science do lemon ase na ina ushigole do chemistry thagyo de to khande na to chemistry ke do itu balancing of chemical equation it's very important na to han itu the basic aste like equations kan ya thagyo lage na kuno basic equations kan ya thagibi aro formula na pawribi inya atomic number han na ya thagibi. In our shigole it will be very easy for you guys na class 11 12 to 1 pages science lo le munjay se gole do aro exams tv pishe aina itu questions of balancing of chemical equations pana ta deu ahe exam day itu garne. And then iduna balancing of chemical equations definition like mun idu no pucha gede mohan ya thakule ge mohan ki balance kole holibi na mohan kun ki equation balance kole holibi we should always remember this law of conservation of mass there. Mass cannot be created nor destroyed, hence atoms cannot be created nor destroyed na mohan ki ja balance kole se we should always remember this point. And mohan ki balance kole you remember when a balance kole na see mass cannot be created nor destroyed, hence atoms cannot be created nor destroyed na atoms the because mass mohan chemistry game mass in atom bishi square na so atoms cannot be created nor destroyed. All right, balancing of chemical equations na balancing of chemical equations to ki ase bole do mohan ki balance nukra gele na mohan table ekta form kori na initial do reactant de to left side na aro final do product de to initial side te H to tuita ase aro final de bi tuita asna to mohan yede tuita 2 likhibo. And then this side oxygen we can see 2 right to 2 likhibi aro yede ekta asna to yede 1 likhibi to sabi hydrogen tuita do already balance asna nolibi oxygen do sabi tuita ase yede ektai asna to itu kinega hoile iki hobo na oduna 1 1 1 1 hoile na 2 2 hobo na nolibi equal hobo lage na. This is known as balancing of chemical equations. Man balance kora na itu ke koi balancing of chemical equations to man ton itu aro bolo puchole garne let's do some examples na examples kunba solve korbo mohan Mui wa kwa nishna si itu same one example use kra ste mui de H2 plus O2 H2O. So itu kina balance kurbo sawode mohan de itu do mui to hande ini balancing of chemical equation matlab ki ase kuigina equalas na to yede balance kuigina sawo mohan balance chemical equations na sabi yede H2 da asna molab agire kwa nishna initial de tuida aro yede bi tuida nuli bi oxygen do yede tuida asna nuli bi tade ektai asna to itu do kina hole hobo na to like muwa kwanishna law of conservation of mass to ya thagina muhan udu we will make the ratio of the molecule in a way that like all the elements number of atoms on both the side are equal na so both the side the equal ase goina sagina equal hole garne equal bonawale garne try gro na mana but keeping in mind that chemical law of conservation of mass to ya thagina na so like let's try to make this 2H2O. In our shivale do 2 oxygen hui jai na, so it will be 2. So each other both the side oxygen same wish na it will be 2 kushe to man it 2 punaish na to 2 side be oxygen same wish really be sabi hydrogen do 4 hui jabo do na sabi 2 4 hui jabo final day to 4 hui jabo na ta de na to in actually each other hydrogen the balance one ai na sabi hydrogen balance no hui jashi ekta balance share to balance one ai to idu garne let's make it 2H2 na so that सब balance होले सब ते ना ये 2 8 कोई लोई ना तो इन्हें उसे बोले दो सभी 4 ना initial side ते H तो 4 इशू तो नहीं जाता ना तो final side ते सभी इटू 2 ना तो ये भी 2 लिखियो तो 4 ऐसे तो ना और O तो 2 ऐसे ये ते भी O2 ना O2 O2 ना तो सभी balance इशू तो नहीं तो ना तो इन्या क्रू लगे this is known as balancing the chemical equation ना मान balance क्रू इन्या दिखाइश ना इधर ना इधर का exam दे इनका बोटा क्वेश्चन आये होते तो आने balance the chemical equation क्रू इन्या ना balance क्रू इन्या और like सभी दे इन्या नहीं लिखी भी ना exam दे कुछ बात इन्या भी लिखे ना इधर ने सभी दे H2 plus O2 equals to H2O plus 2 na ina ne likhi video exam de kitabi na kele wele mohan ki number 8 pili na mohan ye 208 question na itu agere 8 kru lage agere ina na ina piche de last de 8 nukre ina na always agere kina wana before the compound na we have to always add the number before the compound alright ina no ina after the compound 8 pinas na ito na sabi do inya crucial do wrong ase aro kunwa bacha khando inya ri likhe na sabi de H2 plus 1 2 is equals to H2O ito answer do na kunwa ina likho de half O2 na this is right alright itu do thik ase de answer do na thik ase sabi ye age de likhi shi do na noili bi mohan hota ya thakibo lagi ki mohan answer do fraction de na rakho lagi ina na rakho lagi answer do na to itu garne ina fraction de na rakho lagi sabte mohan itu do 2 ba multiply grow we will multiply by 2 na so if we do that we will get 2H2 plus O2 gives H2O so itu do answer right ase na to aro ekta example try karo mohan CO plus H2 gives CH3OH na to let's make a table na table banawi tate tinda likhbi to CO na COH na COH present as na to tinda table banawi and then upper demo condition initial or final likhibi na left side te do initial right side te final likhibi Aro itu han the atoms la name likhiwi na yede na ki atoms present as na itu naam likhole laste. And then reaction de sabi carbon C do yede bi ekta tadi bi ekta na one each, right? Sabi de ekta oxygen bi yede bi ekta tadi bi ekta dikhas na tuita side bi nili bi H do yede tuita as na, but here there is 4 oxygens, right? Charda oxygen present as eta to yede since yede charda as na to itu one mohan itula ituge 2 8 grow 4 ki ole ki ala khanda sob balance as na khali utu as na unbalanced hydrogen as na unbalanced, so we will add here too, so it will be balanced in both the side na. Sorry, CO2 28 krishna mo yede na 2H2 sure to mohan nutun ekta column punao de aro na aro sawa itu nishna table ekta banao, and then mohan like equal as a when at both side there table ekta banao de mo yede krishna ki mass present as likho lage na yede da na, and then yede the initial itu the reactant as aro product final na you likhiwi yede tinda block bana tinda column bana lage mo to COH na to aro ek par likho ide C ekta tadi bi ekta na to 1 1 aro O do yedi bi ekta tadi bi ekta asna to 1 1, so ide icha to 4 ocean na H2 plus 2 4 2 into 2 4, and then yede 4 ase already, so we can see it's balanced na mohan yede 2 8 kushe yede the CO plus H2 kuri na mohan ina thagishna to mohan yede itu compound la yede 2 dalishe to mohan balance kuri dishna. So this is all about balancing the chemical equations na, balance the chemical equations. Exam de ina ayo balance the chemical equation ko ina ayo par equation na 2 marks karne na nile ina bi ayo par balance the chemical equation ko na dikhiche column likhiwi ina wala tu niche solve kori na. Aro one thing always remember ina ni likhiwi na piche ki number 8 ko liwi ina niche ni likhiyo, always write before the compound, alright na. Aro second point to inya kitari fraction de na rakhiwi answer do fraction de likhili always multiply by 2 na the answer paule final answer paule. तो आजिला टॉपिक ये खत्म होइसे आरो डाउट्स थाकिसे गले कमेन्ट आरो मुइ वर्क वानिसना क्वेश्चंस कान सब सॉल्व करले ट्राई करिविना टेक्स्ट बुक ते किमान क्वेश्चन आसे मरम बालाइक सब सॉल्व करले ट्राई करिविना पारा था इना वइना ताते डाउट्स थाकिले मगे कोइ